Start cranking and see a new sort of hen. Wait, what? Who's roosting another hen's top knot, and then another one roosts in the top knot of his, and so forth and upward and onward. Gee whiz! Hey everybody, welcome to the front row. We are here at Universal Studios Florida. We're also going to head over to Islands of Adventure for a little treat today. Another playground over there opened at Dr. Seuss, so we're going to head over there. But we got a couple more tasting lanyard spots here for Mardi Gras, so we're going to head over there, munch on some stuff here, and then go over to Island to show you what we got going on. Tell them what's up, Weezy.
What should I scream for? This is my theme park.
And this is the Leche Fritas. Full of milk. Cannot have this. I am lactose intolerant. It is also full of gluten, so off-camera wife cannot have this. This is just for the child. Looks good though. All right, kid, here you go.
Thank you for your cooperation.
What do you think, kid? Is this any good?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good?
Yeah.
This one is for us. This is the twisted tater with andouille sausage. That is for us, and I'm very excited. We've had this before. The video with the review, boop, right up there. If you click on that, it'll take it. But I am gonna munch this down and check in with you guys when we head over to Islands to check out the playground. Yes, as you can see, we are going in. We're going in.
Thank you.
More sanitized. And there's how the rules. Be nice, don't be mean, be your friends. But yes, this has been closed for a very, very long time. We finally get in. So let's go too far. Let's go too far. We're gonna go this way. What do we got here? What do we got here? What does these do? These do nothing. There's something else. Oh, there's a little tunnel. Go in the tunnel. Oh, cool. I got cool stuff like this. I'll sail to the tropical isle of Katru and bring back it, catch, a peep, and a prove. Oh, that's cool. Let's see what we can see today. Can we see anything? Oh, it's like us. It's like us. And then like that one there. See, it's got all its like film reels and stuff. Let's go in this one. Let's see what's here. It's such a cool playground for kids. And then if we poke our picture, our camera in here, you can see, oh, I'll turn it sideways for you. It's like it's a little camera inside there, if you can't see it. That's pretty cool. Ah, the slides are closed. The slides are closed. Oh, you'll make me go under here. Oh, here I go.
Over here. Over here.
What is it? Where'd it go?
Looking for me?
Oh, cool. It's got its little face on the wall.
Try and catch me.
Oh. Where'd the kid go?
Over here.
Oh. My kid gets lost in here, but then I'll never find her. Oh, this is usually a little splash pad. How cool. Ain't got the water turned on, though. Ain't got the water turned on. We usually like these squirt water. You spin the little thing. But they got the water all turned off. That's pretty cool. Little play area for the kiddos. Ooh, on the lily pads. Ooh, what that is? For this one won't ring unless that one's rung. Okay, so we gotta ring this one, or that one. And then we gotta go to this one. Mama. Fun little thing for the kids. place is always super cool because when I was a kid, I loved it in here. Just playing around, and like I said, with this little splash pad here being closed, or at least not with the water on, it's kind of a bummer. This is one of the cooler parts of it. But the high in the sky Seuss trolley train ride goes right over it. These little lamps are pretty cool. So yeah, this is like supposed to be a water fountain, I guess, but they've removed the water fountain-ness of it, so it's not a water fountain anymore. Oh well. We're going into McGrew Zoo. Going into McGrew Zoo. Let's see what we can see over here. Let's see. I won't build a cage for this cow in my zoo. I'll let my friends ride it. That's just what I'll do. Oh, there's a little cow. Yeah, you see? Oh, ride the cow. Let's get on the cow. Woo, ride the cow. All right, make it move. Look at it go. Look at it go. Ringing this little bell. I'm a cowboy. On a centipede cow. Look at it, it's like a millipede centipede cow.
Want me to get a video of it?
Now you can play with my friend Tic Tac Joe. Put your hand on his belly, then he'll choose the O. Okay, what happens? What's up, Joe? Can I? Joe, oh, I got one.
Welcome.
I got one.
Howdy. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Now let's play some tic-tac-toe.
Okay,
Your
put
turn.
The O. Then I gotta put an X. I want it right there.
If you go there, I'll pick this square.
Joe, you're not very good at tic-tac-toe. He's not very good at tic-tac-toe.
Hooray! You won! 3 cheers for you! And you're not only smart, but a good sport!
I'm a good sport and I'm smart. There was Joe. We're here with this little thing. We're supposed to like pump water, I guess, into him, but again, the water's been turned off. Oh, he's not there. There you go, babe. Get him. Get him with the water. Get him with the water.
Get him 2 sides.
Get him, soak him. Soak him with the water. He's dirty. Oh, he's gonna do the spinny thing. It's about to get wet. Oh, is he not gonna spin? That's good. I like him not spinning. I like him not spinning. Because if he spun, I'd get wet. I don't like getting wet. Bye, dude. Back into the bubbles. Back into the bubbles. Scragglefoot McGillicuddy. Quarantine. Mully has a bad cold. See? A high-stepping animal, fast as the wind. From the blistering sands of the desert of Zind. I love Dr. Seuss. It's so much fun. So much fun. Oh, what do we got here? We got a Sleepy Horton. This drowsy guy is quite a deep sleeper. He won't even wake up for me, the zookeeper. He sleeps all night long and all through the day. If he woke up right now, just what would he say? What a sleepy elephant. He's sleepy. And then of course they got all these ropes and stuff so the kids can climb up on him and play. Got these little hand sanitizer things all over. That one don't work. Oh no, I missed it. Did y'all see that? There we go, see? Hand sanitizer. What are we doing? What something? There's a child under here. Look at that, I have found my child. She was hiding under the elephant. I went to the African island of Yurka to find me a tizzle-top tuft mazurka. I'm not sure exactly what you have heard, but there's more than just one way to flush out this bird. Okay, I gotta spin the thing. We're spinning. We're spinning. We're spinning. Am I spinning the correct way? Or am I spinning it this way? Spinning it. It's supposed to pop up right there. Oh well, I tried. We got this thing here, let's see. start cranking and see a new sort of hen. Wait, what? Who's roosting another hen's top knot, and then another one roosts in the top knot of his, and so forth and upward and onward. Gee whiz! What a fun little thing. That's so fun. Okay, so now we're back here. We go too near. That's where we go. We go this way. I'm gonna go up the ramp here because I'm old and my knees hurt. We're gonna go up this way, up the ramp. We didn't go up this way last time. This is essentially the last little place in the playground. This isn't nearly as big as the Jurassic Park one, but it's still really fun. See, normally, when you get to the top up here, you can go down these slides, but they've got the slides blocked off. But you can come up here. Kind of looks like the Onceler's Tower, I guess. A little overview, see we'll overview from here. Just a splash pad. Then we come over here, and that's green eggs and ham right there. And then if we come this way, that's Tic-Tac-Joe. That's Tic-Tac-Joe. You haven't known, his name doesn't make any sense. He's not very good at the game. Oh goodness. Oh goodness, those are big steps. Those are big steps. Those are much more reasonable steps. I think that's about it. I think I've shown you pretty much everything. Let's take another pass through and see if there's something I missed. I don't think so. Oh, there is something I missed. You'll see a big bug who is very surprising, a feller who has a propeller for rising, and that he needs, all that he needs is the air you can pump while marching along on my stump a la wump. Okay, this requires effort, so I gotta get on this thing here. Oh, and then I gotta like pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. There he is, there he goes, look at him go. He's flying with his little propeller hat. He's flying as long as I'm pumping, as long as I'm pumping, he's flying. As long as I'm tired. I'm all done pumping. Go, you can go down now. Goodness gracious. I'm so glad that this place is back open. The little kids have another fun place to roam around, and heck, I like roaming around in here. Makes me feel young.
Come on.
I think that's about it. Yeah, I think we've seen pretty much everything. Oh, except for this. A shy little guy whose face never shows unless you're real good at tickling his toes. Okay, so we got hands up here and some tootsies. So let's tickle some tootsies. Let's tickle tootsies. We're tickling feet. We're tickling tootsies. Tootsie tootsie tickles. Tootsie tootsie tickles. I'm all tickly, popped up, just took a little bit. It's super exciting that we're slowly getting back all the things we lost when the COVID shutdown happened. We're slowly getting back to playgrounds. The President of the United States just announced that vaccinated people can gather outdoors without masks, so long as it's not a big group. Like, we're getting there. We're getting there. But I think that's gonna do it for us today. I'm gonna head out of here so I stop looking like a creep in a little kid's play area and let these little kids play. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to be kind to one another. Hit the subscribe button, like, all that stuff. Can't wait to see you. We got big news coming up here. Everybody be kind. Thank you for watching. And remember, front row, it's always worth the wait.